8 psychology facts about best friends. Number 1. If a friendship lasts longer than 7 years, psychologists say it will last a lifetime. Number 2. Never mind losing a friend, because a real one can never be lost. Number 3. Friendship is not about who you spend the most time with. It's about who you have the best time with. Number 4. A strong friendship doesn't need daily conversation and doesn't always need togetherness. Number 5. If best friends are people who make your problems their problems just so you don't have to go through them alone. Number 6. A true friend is someone who sees the pain in your eyes while everyone else believes the smile on your face. Number 7. Only a true friend will tell you to your face what others were saying behind your back. Number 8. Sometimes being with your best friend is all the therapy you need. Drop a 100 if you agree with me. You may want to save this video for later and share it to your best friends. God bless.